Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet tutorials and crochet related videos. And today I'm bringing to you a little spring project update. So I'm going to go through some of the projects I'm working on for spring and summer. So I'm really excited. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. That really helps out my channel. And yes, I hope you enjoy this video and let me know in the comments which projects you would like me to crochet. I'm always happy to listen to your suggestions. So yes, to begin with, I am crocheting a spring summer sweater. This is the design. I'm hoping to release this really soon, so I have my full panels ready. I think this is either the back panel or one of the sleeves, I can't remember. But yes, as you can see, it features a filet crochet design. So for this project, I used this yarn, which is Loops and Threads soft ombre yarn, and honestly I absolutely adore this yarn. It's so beautiful and it's the light 3 yarn and it comes in a 426 yard ball, and it is 75% polyester and 25% acrylic, and it seems that I'm working a lot with finer yarns at the moment. So yes, I love this, so let me know if you're excited. I'm hoping to release this either this coming Thursday or the one after. I'm also currently working on a project with hobby yarns, and so these are the yarns I'm using, and this is in honor of Granny Square month, so I hope you can see it on camera. It's a little granny square design that I just invented. It's a flower granny square and it features these 3 colors, and I'm hoping to make a headband with this. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to go for a headband pattern or a bag pattern. Let me know in the comments what you think, or if you have another idea. I love these, they're so pretty, and I'm very excited to be partaking in this pattern challenge, and I will be releasing this as a paid pattern only next month, just because yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm also working on this summer shawl, so I'm really excited about this design. I love it, so I've just created this design. As you can see, it's kind of a lightweight, also featuring the filet crochet stitch that I love so much, and I absolutely adore this yarn in this color. And as you can see, this is an apricot color and I absolutely adore it. And I'm using this yarn, which is called Universal Yarn by Vireo. I apologize if I can't pronounce this properly, but that's how I would pronounce it. Vireo yarn. And I love their little notes, which is knit, relax, smile and repeat. I completely agree with this message. And so this is, I think, a medium for yarn. It's an Aran weight yarn, I believe. And it's colour apricot tart, and it's 80% tencel, 20% wool. Yes, and it's a medium yarn, and it comes in a ball of yarn that is 206 yards. And it's so perfect, it's so soft, I absolutely adore it. And I am using a 5mm crochet hook for this project. I think I could have used a bigger hook, but yeah, I'm enjoying the process of this pattern, so let me know if you're excited about this project. This is going to be part of my vintage crochet series, so I'm really excited, and this is what I'm working on. I'm also working on a new shrug design. So this is a granny square. So these are my bigger projects, as you can see. And so this is a beautiful yarn that I received last month. It's called Puzzle Yarn, and it's so soft. I think it's an acrylic cotton blend, and it's so beautiful. I love it. And I did feel that a granny square design would be perfect. I am thinking of creating a shrug kind of design, so let me know what you think. I've not even finished my granny square cluster. Honestly, I feel like I was probably interrupted abruptly and had to drop the project somehow. But anyways, that's what I'm working on, and this is a chunky yarn, and I'm using a 6mm crochet hook. And yeah, I'm really enjoying it. I might wait to release this in the autumn, I'm not sure yet, just because I've got quite a few spring and summer projects, larger projects coming up that I've just showed you. And I just feel that once summer really sets in, bigger projects, like chunkier projects, sweaters, and that type of thing aren't very popular. And if I do release bigger projects on my channel, usually they're not always popular because summer is more of smaller project. I hope I'm making sense. I feel like I'm babbling, so I apologize. But yes, so this might be crocheted and then released in the autumn. I'm not 100% sure. But I will be releasing the summer sweater soon, and this really soon. I am going to be working on smaller projects, like I said, in the summer. I feel those are more popular and in demand. Let me know in the comments what are your favorite summer projects. I would love to know. I'm also working on this little project. So this is a little sneak peek. As you can see, these are the cherry blossoms from my cherry blossom cardigan from a few weeks ago. And these are going to be a little headband. So I'm really, really excited. I had a lot of cherry blossom flowers left over, and I am going to be making a little headband with this. So I don't know when I'm going to be releasing this, but it's going to be soon. And I do have more projects in the works too. But I thought I'd let you know what I'm working on. Let me know if you have lots of works in progress like me. I feel like I have so many ongoing projects constantly. I really need to go through my yarn stash and tidy that up. I need to go through all of my projects and tidy those up too. Yes, so let me know in the comments what you thought of this little update. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!